Cleaning as you cook means incorporating efficient habits into your cooking routine. Embrace the philosophy that a tidy kitchen can enhance your culinary experience. Remember, each small action contributes to a smoother process and a less daunting cleanup at the end of your meal prep. As you start to adopt these practices, you may find that cooking becomes a more enjoyable activity rather than a chore. Incorporating these techniques transforms your cooking experience into a seamless flow, where every moment is maximized for efficiency. By being proactive, you not only maintain cleanliness but also create a more inviting atmosphere in your kitchen. As the aromas of your delicious meals fill the air, the satisfaction of a tidy space enhances your overall enjoyment. Ultimately, cooking and cleaning in harmony allows you to focus on creating delightful dishes without the looming anxiety of post-cooking chaos. Imagine preparing a beautiful dinner while your kitchen remains spotless, allowing you to relish the joy of cooking without the stress of impending cleanup. As you finish your meal, you'll find that the kitchen reflects your cooking journey, rather than a scene from a culinary disaster movie. With each hack seamlessly integrated into your routine, you empower yourself to create and innovate freely, transforming mealtime into a pleasant ritual of flavor and creativity. Embracing these habits not only enhances your cooking efficiency but also brings peace of mind, knowing you've maintained order throughout the process. As you close the chapter on today's cooking adventure, let these strategies inspire you to experiment further in your kitchen, fostering a space that celebrates both cooking and cleanliness. Cleaning as you cook encourages mindfulness in your culinary endeavors, creating a pleasant atmosphere that underscores your love for cooking. By following these simple strategies, you can enjoy both the process and the results of your labor, reducing the stress that often accompanies mealtime preparation. A tidy kitchen sets the tone for creativity, enabling you to experiment and delight in the art of cooking without distraction. Embrace this new approach, and let the joy of a clutter-free kitchen enhance your culinary experiences, making every meal an occasion worth celebrating. Remember, a clean space leads to a clear mind, setting you up for success in your kitchen adventures. So, let's keep exploring these delightful tips together. Cleaning as you cook not only optimizes your time but also elevates your cooking experience. As you adopt these techniques, you'll find yourself enjoying the process more and feeling accomplished by the end. Let each meal be a celebration of creativity, enhanced by the comfort of a clean kitchen. By implementing these clean as you cook techniques, you'll create a kitchen environment that fosters both productivity and joy. Embrace this new mindset, and watch how it transforms your culinary experiences, leaving you with not just great meals, but also a clean space that feels welcoming.